Welcome to a journey into the future of wrestling. Are you ready to discover the epic acquisition that shook the industry? On April 29, 2023, the world of professional wrestling was rocked by a stunning announcement. Endeavor, a global entertainment and talent agency, had acquired WWE, the world's largest wrestling promotion. Fans, wrestlers, and industry insiders alike were left wondering what this acquisition would mean for the future of wrestling. Today, we will answer that question by taking an in-depth look at the Endeavor acquisition of WWE. Through extensive research and interviews with industry experts, we will explore the impact of this historic event on wrestling as a whole. From the financials and revenue streams of the wrestling industry, to the impact on talent and storytelling, to the future of live events and global expansion, this book will leave no stone unturned. The initial shock: understanding the Endeavor acquisition. WWE, a publicly traded company, has recently undergone a significant acquisition by Endeavor, a company that also owns UFC. The deal involves Endeavor taking ownership of 51% of WWE, while the company's existing shareholders retain 49%. As a result of this acquisition, the newly formed company will list on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol TKO. This transaction has valued WWE at a staggering $9.3 billion, making it one of the most significant acquisitions in the sports entertainment industry. When news of the Endeavor acquisition of WWE broke, wrestling fans were left wondering what this meant for their beloved promotion. Some were cautiously optimistic, while others expressed concern about the potential impact on wrestlers and the quality of wrestling programming. The acquisition was seen as a major move for Endeavor to expand its presence in the sports entertainment industry and capitalize on the financial potential of wrestling. However, there were also concerns about increased pressure on wrestlers and a focus on profits over their well-being, as well as potential compromises on creative freedom. The rise of WWE, a brief history of sports entertainment. To understand the significance of the Endeavor acquisition of WWE, it is important to examine the history of WWE and its impact on the wrestling industry. WWE was founded in 1952 as the Capital Wrestling Corporation and focused on promoting live wrestling events in the northeastern United States. Under Vince McMahon Jr.'s leadership, the company became the most popular wrestling promotion in the world by focusing on entertainment aspects, introducing larger-than-life characters, and producing scripted storylines and segments. The company faced stiff competition in the late 1990s from rival promotion WCW, but turned the tide with its Attitude Era. Today, WWE is a global entertainment company generating billions of dollars in revenue annually through live events, TV shows, merchandise, and its streaming service, WWE Network. In the next chapter, the impact of WWE on the wrestling industry and its role in shaping the current landscape of sports entertainment will be examined. WWE's impact on sports entertainment. WWE's creation of larger-than-life characters and iconic storylines have captured fans' imaginations and elevated wrestlers to superstar status. Its entertainment-focused approach has inspired other promotions and led to the rise of sports entertainment. WWE's global expansion has brought wrestling to new audiences, but criticisms remain regarding wrestler treatment and negative stereotypes. Nevertheless, WWE remains the dominant force in sports entertainment, and its acquisition by Endeavor is expected to bring significant changes to the industry. The future of WWE. Changes may be coming to the company's programming, talent roster, and global reach. One possible shift could be a greater emphasis on live events and pay-per-view shows, with fewer episodes of weekly television shows. Endeavor's resources and expertise could also help WWE attract even more top talent to its roster and expand its presence in new markets around the world. However, the sports entertainment industry is unpredictable, and it's impossible to know for sure what the future holds for WWE. Nonetheless, fans can be sure that WWE will continue to entertain and inspire audiences for many years to come. The impact on wrestlers. WWE's acquisition by Endeavor raises concerns about the impact it could have on the wrestlers themselves. One concern is the potential for increased emphasis on live events and pay-per-view shows, which could increase the risk of injury and burnout for wrestlers. Another concern is the impact on wrestlers' creative control, which may become even more rigid under Endeavor's entertainment-focused approach. Employees may also see changes in their job security and working conditions due to Endeavor's focus on efficiency and profitability, potentially leading to layoffs. There could also be changes in the way WWE operates on a day-to-day basis due to Endeavor's focus on maximizing revenue, which could impact travel schedules or other working conditions. WWE should prioritize the well-being and job security of its wrestlers and employees, regardless of any changes that may occur. However, Endeavor's resources could also have a positive impact on wrestlers, such as greater investment in health and safety and more opportunities for global expansion. These opportunities could lead to greater exposure and fan base growth for wrestlers, ultimately leading to greater success and financial stability. Overall, it will be important for WWE to prioritize the health and well-being of its performers, while also providing them with opportunities to showcase their skills and entertain fans around the world. Only time will tell what changes will occur under Endeavor's ownership and how they will impact the wrestlers and the industry as a whole. Before we move forward, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. The impact on fans. Endeavor's acquisition of WWE could change the type of programming produced, with a possible decrease in weekly television shows and an increase in high-quality events. Fans may also see more engagement through social media and other digital platforms, but the impact is uncertain and could have both positive and negative effects depending on their preferences. Endeavor's expertise in international markets could provide WWE with more opportunities to expand its reach, but WWE should prioritize providing an entertaining and engaging experience for fans regardless of any changes that may occur. The acquisition has raised some concerns among fans, particularly with regard to pay-per-view events. These events can cost up to $70 for UFC events, which has caused some speculation about the pricing for WWE events in the future. Potential risks and challenges. The recent acquisition of WWE by Endeavor offers a range of opportunities and risks that both companies must navigate. Cultural differences and clashes may arise due to WWE's unique approach to entertainment. Another significant risk is the potential loss of talent, which could have a negative impact on WWE's overall product and fan base. The acquisition represents a significant financial investment, and if WWE's revenue and profitability do not meet expectations, Endeavor could face financial difficulties. Changes to ownership or structure could also lead to regulatory scrutiny or legal challenges. Furthermore, negative fan reactions could harm WWE's reputation and fan base. Endeavor and WWE must work closely together to manage these risks and ensure a successful acquisition. Proper planning, communication, and execution will be essential to achieving positive outcomes for both companies and their fans. Conclusion. The acquisition of WWE by Endeavor is a significant event in the entertainment and sports industry, offering both opportunities and challenges. Endeavor's resources and expertise could lead to improvements in live events, broadcasting, and the overall product, but there are also risks, such as potential clashes in culture and talent attrition. To ensure success, Endeavor and WWE will need to collaborate closely and effectively manage financial strain and regulatory scrutiny. The outcome of the acquisition will depend on their ability to leverage their respective strengths, communicate and plan effectively, and prioritize the needs of fans, performers, and other stakeholders. Ultimately, the acquisition has the potential to be a major win for both organizations and the wider world of sports and entertainment. Looking ahead. As WWE transitions under Endeavor's ownership, there are many exciting opportunities and challenges to consider. One major trend to watch is the growth of streaming and how WWE will adapt its distribution strategy to reach new audiences and retain current fans. Another key challenge is increased competition from emerging wrestling promotions, which may require WWE to remain nimble to maintain its position as a leading global brand. WWE has made significant progress in expanding internationally, with events and programming in markets like the UK, Canada, Saudi Arabia, and India, and is expected to continue prioritizing international growth. To stay ahead, WWE must also stay on the cutting edge of new technologies that could transform the industry, such as virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and blockchain. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the live events industry, and WWE and Endeavor must continue to innovate to keep fans engaged and maintain revenue streams in this critical area. By addressing these trends and challenges, WWE and Endeavor can work together to ensure the acquisition is successful in the long run, investing in technology and international expansion, while renewing focus on fan engagement and storytelling. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of sports and entertainment. With Endeavor's recent acquisition of WWE, there are endless possibilities for the future of wrestling, and we've only just scratched the surface. From the rise of streaming and international expansion to increased competition and technological innovation, the road ahead is sure to be filled with twists and turns. But one thing is certain: the future of wrestling has never been more exciting. Keep an eye out for what's next, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and analysis on the world of sports and entertainment.